Hi everybody, Adam Levine with Sky Insurance Brokers. Today we're going to talk about personal property coverage. What is personal property coverage? Most people think generally that personal property is your furniture, your couches, your TVs, your beds. I urge you instead to think about more of the smaller stuff that most people ignore. Things like your dishes, your silverware, your wall hangings, your curtains, your bedding, your towels. All that stuff is all considered personal property. When you have a loss, most people don't put that into the forefront of their mind as the things that they've lost, but those are very important items and objects in which to consider as part of your personal property. Even little things like your toothpaste and your toothbrush and your soap, that's all stuff from your pantry that needs to be replaced. So when looking around your house and deciding whether you have enough personal property coverage, look at not just the main bulk furniture, but all the other things, the things that not only are irreplaceable, like maybe a family heirloom, but the smaller things like even dish towels and the paper towel rack. That all adds up. These little things are costly and they add up. Now one myth, if you will, that I'd like to dispel is people often think, well, if my house burns down, my car or my boat or my motorcycles that are in the garage are covered under personal property. Is that correct? The answer is no. Your car is covered under its own policy with your auto carrier. Same with your boat or your motorcycles. Theoretically, if you've done it correctly, you should have coverage, a separate policy for your motorcycle, a separate policy for your boat, a separate policy for your car. If the house burns down around those things and damages those things, those are covered under their own personal policy. However, other things in your garage, like the contents of your workbench, your tools, etc., if they get melted down, that is also considered part of personal property. So when looking at your personal property coverage, certainly discuss it with your account manager here at Sky Insurance and make sure that you have adequate personal property coverage to include not just the big stuff, but all the little things too. Hope you have a great day and take care, and we'll talk to you soon.